What if the secret to losing weight, feeling amazing, and living a longer, healthier life wasn't some strict, complicated diet, but a delicious and satisfying lifestyle that people have enjoyed for centuries? Well, today we're diving deep into exactly that. We're talking about the Mediterranean diet, consistently ranked by experts as one of the best, if not the best, way to eat in the world. Forget about counting every single calorie or cutting out entire food groups. The Mediterranean diet is all about embracing real, whole foods, truly enjoying your meals, and nourishing your body in a way that's sustainable for the long haul. It's not a fad, it's a time-tested blueprint for health. In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you. We'll cover what the Mediterranean diet actually is, the delicious foods you get to eat, and the ones you'll want to limit. We'll explore the incredible health and weight loss benefits backed by science. And most importantly, I'll give you simple, practical steps so you can start incorporating this way of eating into your life today without feeling overwhelmed. So, if you're ready to transform your health, let's get started. So, what exactly is the Mediterranean diet? Well, it's inspired by the traditional eating habits of people living in countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, like Greece, Italy, Spain, and southern France. For generations, these cultures have thrived on a diet rich in fresh, local ingredients. But here's the key difference from most modern diets. Instead of focusing on restriction and what you can't have, it emphasizes abundance. It's built on a foundation of whole, natural foods, healthy fats, and balanced, flavorful meals. This isn't just about what you eat, it's about how you eat. It's about savoring your food, sharing meals with others, and integrating this wholesome approach into your daily lifestyle. It's a philosophy of nourishment, not deprivation. In short, it's not just a diet, it's a way of life. Now, let's talk about the heart and soul of Mediterranean cooking, olive oil. In this diet, extra virgin olive oil is the primary source of fat, replacing things like butter, margarine, and other processed oils. But why is it so important? First, it's packed with monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which are fantastic for supporting heart health and lowering bad cholesterol. Second, it has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help protect your body from chronic disease. And third, these healthy fats help you feel full and satisfied after a meal, which is crucial for managing weight without feeling hungry. So, start using high-quality olive oil for cooking at low to medium temperatures, drizzling over salads, and adding flavor to just about anything. It's a simple switch with huge benefits. Next up, a vibrant and essential part of the plate, vegetables. On the Mediterranean diet, vegetables are not a side dish, they are a main event, eaten generously every single day. Think of colorful salads, roasted vegetables, and hearty vegetable-based stews. Common choices include leafy greens like spinach and kale, juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and bell peppers. And let's not forget about fruit. Berries, oranges, apples, and figs are all staples. These plant foods are loaded with fiber, which is amazing for your digestion. They're also rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that fight cellular damage and support your overall health. The goal is to fill half your plate with a rainbow of vegetables at every meal. Let's talk about carbohydrates. In many popular diets, carbs are the enemy, but not here. The Mediterranean diet embraces carbohydrates, but it's all about choosing the right kind. Instead of refined grains like white bread, white pasta, and sugary cereals, the focus is on whole grains. Think hearty whole wheat bread, nutty brown rice, comforting oats, versatile quinoa, and chewy barley. Why does this matter? Whole grains contain the entire grain kernel, meaning they're packed with fiber, B vitamins, and minerals. This fiber helps slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, providing you with steady, long-lasting energy and preventing those dreaded energy crashes. This also helps with blood sugar control and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Now for protein, and a key component is fish. The Mediterranean lifestyle encourages eating fish and seafood at least twice a week. But not just any fish. The best options are fatty fish, which are incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids. We're talking about delicious choices like salmon, sardines, mackerel, and tuna. These omega-3 South are like superheroes for your body. They are renowned for supporting brain health, improving memory and focus, and protecting your heart by reducing blood pressure and triglycerides. They also have potent anti-inflammatory effects, helping to calm chronic inflammation throughout your body. Whether it's grilled, baked, or broiled, making fish a regular part of your routine is one of the most powerful things you can do for your health. Another fantastic source of protein in the Mediterranean diet comes from legumes, nuts, and seeds. These are plant-based powerhouses that should be eaten regularly. This group includes foods like chickpeas, lentils, black beans, almonds, and walnuts. They offer a triple threat of benefits: high-quality plant-based protein to build and repair tissues, healthy fats that are good for your heart, and a huge dose of fiber. This combination is a game changer for weight management because it's incredibly satiating. A handful of nuts for a snack, or adding a scoop of lentils to your soup can help keep you full for hours, preventing mindless snacking and helping you naturally control your calorie intake. They are an affordable, versatile, and delicious way to boost the nutritional value of your meals. What about dairy? On the Mediterranean diet, dairy is included, but in moderation, and the type of dairy matters. The most common forms are fermented dairy products like Greek yogurt and traditional cheeses like feta and parmesan. These foods provide a good source of high-quality protein and calcium for bone health. But one of their biggest benefits is probiotics. Fermented foods like yogurt are rich in these beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut is linked to better digestion, a stronger immune system, and even improved mental health. So, a small serving of Greek yogurt with some fruit and nuts for breakfast is a perfect Mediterranean-style start to the day. You might have heard that the Mediterranean diet includes red wine. This is true in some traditional versions, where a small glass of red wine is often enjoyed with meals. The idea is that red wine contains antioxidants like resveratrol, which may have some heart health benefits. However, this is completely optional. The potential benefits are linked to moderate consumption, and if you don't drink alcohol, there's absolutely no reason to start. You can get plenty of antioxidants from berries, dark chocolate, and other plant foods. If you do choose to include wine, it should always be consumed responsibly and in moderation, and skipped entirely if it's not appropriate for your health or lifestyle. Now that we've covered all the wonderful foods you get to enjoy, let's briefly touch on what to limit. The Mediterranean diet naturally reduces your intake of foods that are linked to poor health outcomes. This means minimizing highly processed foods that come in a box or a bag, like chips and crackers. It also means cutting back on sugary snacks, desserts, and refined grains like white bread and pastries. You'll also want to limit fast food and sugary drinks, which are loaded with empty calories. Red meat, like beef and pork, isn't forbidden, but it's treated as a monthly or occasional indulgence rather than a daily staple. The focus is on enjoying these foods sparingly, making them a treat rather than a habit. So, why go to all this trouble? The health benefits are truly astounding. First and foremost, this diet is famous for its impact on heart health. Numerous studies have shown that it can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease, lower high blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. But the benefits don't stop there. For those looking to lose weight, this approach is a winner. Because it's high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, it's incredibly satisfying. It helps control hunger and reduces the urge to overeat, all without making you feel deprived or restricted. Beyond weight and heart health, the Mediterranean diet is also a powerhouse for your brain. Research links this eating pattern to better memory, sharper cognitive function, and a lower risk of age-related cognitive decline. And finally, it's one of the best anti-inflammatory diets out there. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many major diseases, from arthritis to certain types of cancer. The abundance of antioxidants and healthy fats in Mediterranean foods helps to naturally fight this inflammation, protecting your body from the inside out. Ready to give it a try? The best part is you don't have to overhaul your entire life overnight. Starting is easy and is all about making small, simple swaps. Here's a quick guide to get you started without feeling overwhelmed. First, replace butter and margarine with extra virgin olive oil for cooking and dressings. Second, make a conscious effort to add more vegetables to every single meal. Aim for that rainbow on your plate. Third, try to eat fish twice a week. Swap a chicken or beef dinner for a delicious piece of baked salmon. Fourth, choose whole grains. Pick brown rice instead of white, or whole wheat bread instead of white. And for snacks, reach for a handful of nuts or a piece of fruit instead of processed snacks. Finally, try cooking more meals at home. This gives you complete control over the ingredients and is often a more mindful and enjoyable experience. Remember, progress matters more than perfection. Start small and build from there. The most important thing to understand is that the Mediterranean diet isn't a short-term fix or a crash diet. It's a sustainable, enjoyable, and realistic way of eating that supports your health for the rest of your life. It's flexible, delicious, and focuses on adding more good stuff in, rather than just taking things away. You don't need to be perfect from day one. Just start with one or two of these habits, and as they become second nature, you can add in more. You'll be amazed at how quickly you start to feel better, have more energy, and enjoy your food in a whole new way. If you found this video helpful and are excited to start your journey to better health, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more simple, science-backed health tips just like this. Now, I want to hear from you. Comment below and let me know, would you try the Mediterranean diet, or what's your favorite Mediterranean-inspired dish? And finally, if you know someone who wants to eat healthier without extreme dieting, share this video with them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.